In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show YouTube Music on Discord status. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key thing. Discord does not have a built-in feature that connects directly to YouTube Music. So, to make this work, we'll be using a third-party tool that links your music activity to Discord and displays it as your status. Start by opening your web browser. Chrome works best for this setup since the tool we're using is available as a Chrome extension and tends to work most smoothly there. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window, then go to Extensions. From there, choose the option to visit the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for YouTube Discord Presence. When you find it, install the extension, and once it's added, make sure it's turned on. If the extension is disabled, it won't be able to detect what you're playing or share that information with Discord. Next, you'll need the Helper application. After adding the extension, you should be automatically redirected to the GitHub page where the desktop helper tool is available. On that page, look over to the right-hand side and find the section labeled Releases. Open that section and download the latest version that matches your operating system. Once the download is finished, open the installer and follow the setup steps to complete the installation. This Helper app is important because it works together with the browser extension to send your YouTube Music activity to Discord properly. After everything is installed and ready, open YouTube Music in your browser and play any song. Then head over to Discord and click on your profile. If everything is working correctly, you should now see your status showing that you're listening to that track. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and make sure both the extension and Helper application are running.